Hey, it's me Dex, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make AMV shake.
Ever since I was a kid,
Arrange the clips as I did. Step 1 time, remap. Click on speed, set the speed to maximum. Add a keyframe at the starting and at the ending. Add a keyframe in the middle. Set the speed to 0. Copy my graph settings. Apply time remap to all clips. Here's the time remap result. Step 2. Null transition. Add a null and duplicate it. Select the null 1 layer. Click on this and select null 1 copy. Select the clip and merge with null 1. Add a keyframe in the end. Add a keyframe in the starting and decrease the size. Copy my graph setting. Select null 1 copy. Add keyframe in the middle. Add keyframe in the ending. Double-click the position option. Bring the dot in the middle of the head. Increase the size in the in-end keyframe. Copy my graph setting. Apply transition to all clips. Here's the result of the transition. Step 3 shake. I have provided the shake XML in the description. Copy the effects. Paste the effects to your all clips and done. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.